welcome to Bell's Rides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today is a fun episode of a quick little mod for my 2018 Road Glide Ultra. So it's going to be a lot of fun to install. I found some really cool pipes a couple weeks ago. We were up in fun story. So for 2 weeks ago was my birthday, and happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Anyway, let's see, what are they called? Chester's Harley Davidson in Reno. We were up there a couple weeks ago for my birthday, and we were in the shop looking for a birthday gift from my husband, and what I really wanted was some new riding boots that were more of a Western style, and I couldn't find anything. Nothing really jumped out at me, so we were walking through the parts section, of course, all the pretty chrome stuff, and we found these pipes, Vance Hines pipes. They're the Power Duals. Super excited about seeing those, so I walked over to him, and I'm like oohing and awing over them, and he goes, my husband goes, well, that probably don't work for your bike, blah blah blah. I'm like, so I asked the guy, I go, what are these on? He goes, well, if they're only for 2017 and newer. I'm like a 2018 Road Glide Ultra, would it work for that? And he's all, yeah. And I'm like, awesome. So we got them. Got a killer deal because they were used. They were on the used parts table, and sweet deal. They had all the parts except for a couple spacers. That's what we'll be working on today, is installing the Vance Hines Power Duals. And then we keep, from all of our previous bikes that we've had, we keep all of the accessories that we change in and out. We box them up and we put them in our storage. And so I went through that. My husband has the 2015 Road Glide Ultra CVO, and it had a backrest that came with it, but it's fixed. And he didn't like that because he just couldn't get it fixed for him, positioned for him just right. So we boxed it up, and I'm going to put that on my bike and see if it will work for me. So stay tuned and let's do this. Really, I do like that chalk. I know it's not what you want the stand, but it's pretty secure.
Oh, it's secure.
Next part, short little piece that connects from the secondary, the front head pipe and the back head pipe. They come together into, it's a 2 into 1 into 2, and that's the crossover to the left side of the bike.
need to change mufflers.
I think that I won't need to change out my mufflers. Wow. Sounds great. Do it again. That's awesome. Good job, Daddy-O.
That's pretty good too.
Thank you. Awesome. Okay guys, we're all done with the install of the Vance Hines Power Duals. We installed my backrest, a little blingy decal on the back, and a what else? The helmet lock. So we got all these little mods done, and now it's time for some fun. We're going to take it for a little spin, see how it sounds, and go from there. So until next time, enjoy the ride.